I was shocked.
I was really excited. In fact, I couldn't sleep for probably 2 weeks.
It was amazing.
I was blown away when I first saw the FLIR infrared camera technology.
Once the camera is turned on, within a few minutes we can walk through the entire building and look to see where all of the possible areas of water damage has either spread or migrated within the building.
You can point it at the wall and instantly get a picture, an image.
It's like looking at a TV screen and having somehow magically the information being provided to you.
The previous state-of-the-art was handheld moisture meters. You physically have to touch a moisture meter to any part of a wall or ceiling that you want to measure.
You can't always reach all the areas without building scaffolding, without bringing in ladders, without using a lot of labor and taking a lot of time.
Whereas with the infrared camera, we don't have to do the destructive testing.
You could stand down on the ground, point it up at the ceiling,
and map out the entire room and tell exactly the location of the water.
Wet?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Got
Okay.
heavy moisture.
And we have a lower wall cavity area that's wet.
You can immediately understand what became wet, what's been affected.
So inside of 5 minutes, you can do a more thorough investigation than what would have taken you an hour plus previously.
When we do building defect litigation, you've got the mold expert, you got the contractor expert, you got the sheetrock expert. All these different experts are standing around looking at a window, and we're deconstructing this window for water leaks.
And that whole process used to take 3 to 4 months, almost more than $10,000 actually, and it would burn a lot of lawyer time. The way we have it now with the FLIR camera is we can go and qualify the case as good or bad right off the bat within a week, and actually have evidence without any destruction whatsoever that will often lead to a settlement of the claim within months.
Not only is the camera a great tool to lessen your liability, but you can also make money with it.
When I have an infrared camera out on a loss and there's an adjuster present or a homeowner or a building owner, and I'm able to show them what the infrared camera sees, they're just blown away. Immediately we are perceived as the experts in the field, and the job is ours.
My insurance agency will not use any vendor who is not qualified with the FLIR infrared equipment, simply because of the expertise and the data that it will provide us.
Indoor environmental professionals, attorneys that deal with construction defect,
Insurance companies, property managers, home builders.
Anyone that deals with building can use this camera effectively.
FLIR infrared has given us a vision into looking at buildings that we never had before.
A picture is worth 1,000 words when it comes to water intrusion.
The ability to instantly know the areas that have become wet. The ability to make that determination quickly and without destructive techniques.
It's a slam dunk.
I see FLIR infrared technology as becoming the standard in our industry.
The infrared cameras that FLIR produces are going to change,
revolutionize the way that my company and other companies have started doing water damage restoration and has started doing construction defect investigations.
Plain and simple, you can take that to the bank.